Good morning, students. Now we are going to solve the second problem of your question bank, that is Sachin and Dravid by partner sharing, that is ratio is 3:2. Okay, ಈಗ balance sheet ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ and they have given the adjustments. See, the method is the same. So revaluation account ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆ first one. This ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ we have to ignore. We don't want this. Directly we'll focus on the adjustments. So what does the adjustment say? See, since it is in my second page, I have to adjust this. I'm sorry. Yes. See, the adjustment says, yeah, as you can see in the question, depreciate furniture. So what it is telling? Depreciate furniture 10%. So revaluation account here, right? Revaluation account, particulars, debit, credit, particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees. First ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? For depreciate furniture ante. Okay, depreciate furniture. So I have told you, student, revaluation account alli debit side expenses and losses. Debit side expense, loss, value kadime agide all year. Credit side alli income, gain, profit, increase agiddu value credit side. That is the rule. Okay, so now depreciation andre enu meaning is what last year you have studied. That is the value of the assets coming down, kadime agudu. So to furniture debit side you write what is the percent? 10% ante. So 10 divided by 100 into furniture the value ಏನಿದೆ students? See the question ಅಲ್ಲಿ, yes, 25,000. 25,000 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what it gives you? 2,500, isn't it? Yes. Okay, next one, see what they are telling in the question. Building are revalued at 45,000. So building idu value ಏನಿತ್ತು earlier? If you just check, see, I have to adjust now again. Building value, just see in your question bank, student, it was 50,000. See, 50,000 it was, isn't it? Building value 50,000, now it is 45,000. So value has increased or decreased? Yes, value has decreased, value has come down. 50,000 ittu, ಈಗ 45,000 ಆಗಿದೆ. So value has come down, value ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. When value ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, less ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will write in the debit side. To building you write and please show it was 50,000. See, assets alli nodi minus iga 45,000. So when you minus you will get correct 5,000. Yes. Okay, depreciation I wrote, value kadime agide I wrote. Next one, what it is telling, students, see, PDD increased to 3,500. See, PDD is your expense, isn't it? It is 3,500. Earlier how much it was? Just check the debit side. ಏನਿತ್ತು? It is 2,000. See the question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2,000 ಇದೆ. See, assets ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is 2,000. Okay, ಈಗ 3,500 increase ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? It has increased, no? Yes. See, I will tell once again. 2,000 it was, now it is 3,500. increase ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? How much it is increased? So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚು increase ಆಗಿದೆ. ಖರ್ಚು increase ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will write in debit side. Remember, provision for doubtful debts is your expense. It was 2,000 and now it is 3,500. See, I will just write it was 3,000. It is 3,500 minus 2,000. You will write here how much? 1,500. Otherwise, another one trick I will tell. Whenever increased 2 anta word idre, whenever 2 anta word idre, you will minus this. And your debtors ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು debtors ಅಲ್ಲಿ, see, this 2,000 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ 2,000 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, you will minus always. Whenever the word 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Since it has increased now, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚು increase ಆಗಿದೆ, you are writing in the debit side. Yes. So minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1,500. I'll tell once again, whenever the word 2 is there, you will minus the old PDD and new PDD minus ಮಾಡಿ. Since it has increased, you will write in the debit side minus ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay? Yes. Now next, what they are telling, students? Prepaid insurance 2,500. What is prepaid insurance? This is the insurance money you have already paid for the next year. Prepaid ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. When you have prepaid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಿಮ್ಮ next year expenses now only you have paid. Isn't it a gain for you? Yes, it's a gain for you. It's an outstanding, it is an asset, current asset actually it is. Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance andre insurance next year idu you have paid now only. So for this year it is a gain. So you'll write in the credit side, buy prepaid insurance. How much it is amount in there? Yes, 2000. Yes, that's it. Ishte ide matthenilla, nothing is there. Now balance it. How to balance it, students? Yes, make the total on both the side highest is this side is more, isn't it? Add madi these three things. When you add, you will get, yes, 9000. Please write here also 9000. 9000 minus 2000 is how much? Yes, 7000. But you should give it. See, this is loss. Why? Your credit side is less, debit side is more. Nimma kharchu ella tumba ide, so it is loss. In the previous problem it was profit, you had written here. But in this problem, students, you just compare. Here your expenses are more, your debit side is more. That's why by loss transferred. Sachin Dravid. What is the ratio? Check the ratio. It is 3:2. So share ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 3/5, 2/5 into 7000 into 7000. 3:2 ratio was, see, 3:2. Okay. Yes. When you multiply, you will get 4200. Here you will get, right in inner column only, okay, 2800. Total 7000. Correct, no? Yes. Okay. Now revaluation account is done. What did I do, students? This only in this three transaction ಮಾಡಿದೆನು ನಾನು. Okay. Prepaid insurance andre it is the money of the next year you have paid this year. So it is your gain adu. Now next is partners capital account. Partners capital accounts you have written partners capital account. Debit, credit. Particulars. Write then all the three partners name. Sachin, Dravid, Ashwin. That is rupees. Sachin, Dravid, Ashwin, rupees. First step I have always told you. First step is buy balance brought down. Ella lekkadalli same problem. Buy balance brought down. Adre how will you write? Yes. Amount yavudu? Yeah, amount is what? This. 50,000. Write it each. So I'm writing, see, 50,000, 50,000, isn't it? Yes. Next step is what? Second step is your revaluation account. This was there, no? You have calculated loss, you have to transfer it. Loss, it is in the credit side. Credit side ide alla, so here you will write in the debit side. To revaluation account, direct copy and write amount 4200, 2800. Again I'll tell e amount ellinda just now you have calculated, no, e loss amount it is in the credit side alli ide, adakkaagi ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ debit side alli ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, first step ಆಯ್ತು, second step ಆಯ್ತು. Third step is check your balance sheet. Reserve fund. Previous problem we have done, no, similar. Reserve fund, it is in which side? Debit side. So you'll write here in the credit side, buy reserve fund. What is the amount? Yes, 3000. 3000, you have to give it in which ratio? Yes, ratio nodi 3:2. 3:2 alli kodi. How will you give? So I will just calculate and show. 3000 into 3/5 ಮಾಡಿ. When you multiply, it will give you 1800. Then Dravidige 3000 into 2/5 ಮಾಡಿ. It will give you 1200. Isn't it? 3000 into 2/5 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So, but balance brought down, revaluation account, reserve fund. Third step, student, there is one more in this question. P&L account, profit and loss account. This is similar to your reserve fund. You have to give it. Which side it is there? It is there in the asset side. It is there in the credit side. So here you will write in the debit side. I will tell once again. P&L, profit and loss account, is in the credit side. So here you will write in the debit side. So to profit and loss account, what is the amount, students? See, 5000 and there. 5000. This you have to give it in the ratio, that is 3:2. Okay. So how will you give? Same, ide riti. If 5000 ide alla, see here 5000 into 3 divided by 5. Okay. So when you multiply, you will get 3000. Then for Dravid, how you will give? 5000 into 2/5. Ratio nodi 3:2 alla. So share will be 2/5. So it will be 2000. Yes, that's it. Now last step, next step is what students? What he brings. Idu. Okay, this thing. He brings 40,000 as capital. See, 40,000 as capital ide. Cash or bank, nothing they have told. But here, cash in hand, cash at bank ide. So, hand only 2,000, bank only 18,000. In what it is more? Bank only it is more, no? So, you will write, by bank account, 40,000 he is bringing in the bank. Nama assumption. I will repeat this once again, students. He brings 40,000. He andre yaru? Ashwiniga, new partner. He brings 40,000 as capital. Okay, ಈಗ capital, cash or bank, here cash and bank both are given, but ಹೆಚ್ಚು ದುಡ್ಡು in what it is there? More money is in the bank. So we are assuming directly they are putting in the bank. When new partner Ashwin directly illi ದುಡ್ಡು he has brought this much money. Okay, here now next what it is telling. See further, goodwill 18,000 towards goodwill ante. So goodwill amount on ತಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He has to give here. By goodwill 18,000. You will give it in the ratio 3:2. So you have to divide this. Hege? Similar. I'll just show 18,000 into 3/5 ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Yes, 10,800. Then for Dravid, same. 18,000 into 2/5 ಮಾಡಿ. It will give you 7,200. Okay, here nothing. Meaning ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು he is giving money to Sachin and Dravid in the ratio 3:2. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Ashwin is giving to Sachin and Dravid this much money. That's it. Finish. What did I do first one, students? Balance brought down. Number 1. Second, revaluation. Yes. Third, reserve fund. Why did I write in the debit side? Because here it is in the, here illi debit side alli ide alla. Here this side. So I'm writing in the credit side. Then profit and loss account. Why did I write this side, credit side? Because here it is in the profit and loss is in with the credit side. So here I'm writing in the debit side. Then bank. Here why did I write bank and not cash? Because bank only money is more. So 18,000. Yes. So this 40,000 here. Then goodwill. Now balance it, students. Total madi. Okay. When you do total, see it will come 62,000 here. Use your calculator. 62,600. This much. Idannu ella total ಮಾಡಿ, this all you add, you will get, yes, 58,400. This you add, you will get 40,000. Okay. Now here also same thing you will write. That is 62,600, 58,400, then 40,000. Now 62,600 minus 4,200 minus 3,000 ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು minus ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. You will get 55,400. Same thing here. 58,400 minus 2,800 minus 2,000 ಮಾಡಿ. You will get 53,600. Yes. Then here 40,000 minus in A, there's nothing to minus. So directly 40,000 here it transfer after that. So that is 2 balance carried down. I'll repeat once again. Add this, write same here. Okay. 62,600 minus 4,200 minus 3,000 will give you 58,400 minus this and minus this will give you this. One more thing, students. What we have written here, no, same thing. One more entry you do. The previous problem also you should have done. By balance brought down. This amount idella same bariri. Copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿ. 54,400. Then it is 53,600. Then it is 40,000. It means we have to take it in the balance sheet. The previous problem, please add this, okay? Same thing. What I have done here, same you write, but brought down anta baribe. Thank you, students.